was at the Pickle Factory, so let's rate these. I heard that these are really good, and they have a beautiful color. Not like the other olives where they're kind of like doo-doo green. They're not too salty. They're very fresh. Let's try the juice. Tastes totally clean. 8 out of 10. They're slacking the 2 points because there's not very much flavor. Muffaletta. Great for sandwiches, on a hoagie. Very good in comparison with Larry's Giant Subs. 10 out of 10. Garlic pickles. Ooh, and they smell garlicky. Let's see if I can get this bad boy. Come here. Pickle picker. 2 out of 10. Garlic pickle. Whew. If you don't want a date that night, or you want to kill a date that night, 10 out of 10. Spicy. There are olives in here. That's weird. Let's see. Oh, olives. 10 out of 10. Now for the pickle. Oh, still on the olive. Oh. Ooh, in the nose. I would say about 8 out of 10. They are not spicier, about 2 notches spicier than Cajun peanuts. But they have a similarity to the taste of Cajun peanuts. I like it. Crisp & Co. Grand Dill Pickles. A tad of sweetness, but have an old flavor. 4 out of 10. Pickle Chow Chow from the Pickle Factory. I hope it's not sweet. This is like carrots, onions, pickles, everything. Ooh, sweet. Sweet and oniony. This is more for cooking, sandwiches, hot dogs. 10,000 times better than relish. 10 out of 10. And last one, as you can tell, 10 out of 10. This is Sunshine Pickle Company. Horseradish pickles. 15 out of 10, because once I start, oh, I cannot stop. But They're not that spicy that it burns your nose, but it's got that horseradish. Look at all that horseradish. Amazing. Oops. Oh, we'll give a funeral for that one. Overall, a good haul.